And again, we talk about trim to entities options here. When I am click here, we can also see that trim to point options. I can click here. So we can also see the two options here, trim or break. I can select actually my line or my wireframe entities, and then I can decide my point like this. Okay, if I am click here, this is the left side and this is the trimmed side. Okay, and I can hit the blue OK button, and then I can turn to the break options. This is my entities, and then we can select our point. We can also select that kind of point. It's also possible. Okay, it's not need to be on and that line. I can click here as well. So we can see that this is actually and the trimmed line. So we can also see the trim menu options here. Trim menu options and is also quite important. We can create that kind of line, and then some trimmed line here. If we can use the trim entities options, we can click the trim one entity, we can select our line, and that's one. We can click that's one, and that's one. So as you can see here, it is quite time consuming. So we can turn to trim entities and trim menu options. In the trim menu options, we can select our direction. Direction can be selected side. Of course, before that we need to select all our line except that one. We can select all of them by using the window options. Actually, this is active right now, automatic and window options, and then we can click here. That's make that line unselect, and then we can click end section, and then we can click and here, and you can see that that's all line can be trimmed automatically. Okay, we can use the undo button again, and trim menu, we can select all of them except this one and hit the end selection, and then select trim curve, and then we can decide which side we want to stay. Okay, we can also use actually and trim menu with break options. I can click here. Oops. We can select all my line here, and I cannot click on the break options. Trim menu. Oops, sorry. Okay, that's about, maybe that's because of my computer, maybe, I don't know, but we can click here and we can select the break, and then we can select the direction, selected side or opposite side. If you click the opposite side, that's not possible right now. I can select here and hit here. Yeah, it's not selected right now. Anyway, this is the trim menu options. Okay,